Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you some simple and easy Ganpati decoration idea using just a dupatta. First, you can use the dupatta as a backdrop for your Ganpati idols. Simply drape it behind the idol and to add some fairy lights for a magical touch. And next you can create a beautiful canopy for your idol by hanging the dupatta from the ceiling and letting it draped over the idol. Add some flowers and beads for a festive look, and you can also use the dupatta to make a stunning garland for your Ganpati idol. And cut the dupatta into strip and tie them together to create a colorful garland that you can drape around the idol. Another ideal idea is to use the dupatta to make decorative tassels and to cut the dupatta into strips and tie them together to one end. Then attach the tassels to the corner of your puja area or hanging them from the ceiling for a festive look. And finally, you can use the dupatta to make a beautiful rangoli design. Simply lay the dupatta on the flower and use colored power of or flowers to create a stunning design around your Ganpati idol. So there you have it, some simple and easy Ganpati decoration idea using just a dupatta. I hope you found this idea helpful and have fun decorative your home for Ganesh Chaturthi. So guys, thank you for watching my video and supporting me on this journey. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. As we celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi, I want to take a moment to wish you all a very happy, prosperous festivals. Ganesh Chaturthi is a time for new beginnings, removing obstacles and seeking blessings from Lord Ganesha. It's a time to come together with family and friends to pray, to feast and to celebrate the joy of life. I hope this festival bring you all the happiness, success and prosperity that you deserve. May Lord Ganesha bless you with wisdom, strength and good fortune in all your adventures, and I am truly grateful for your continued support and love. It means the world to me. So once again, thank you for watching my video and being a part of this amazing community. Wishing you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. May this festival fill your life with joy and fulfillment. Stay safe, stay blessed and keep spreading positivity wherever you go. Thank you for watching once again everything. I can't wait to continue creating content for you, love and all. Until next time, take care and have a wonderful celebration. Jai Ganesha. Till then, bye. Take care, guys. Thank you for watching my video.